Hey guys, Pix100 here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Hello World Windows Forms application. So, as always, you want to create a new project and then select Windows Forms app, although you'll probably have to search it here. I have it in my recent project templates. And then I'm calling mine Hello World WinForms. And I'm putting in CSharp tutorials so that I can upload it to GitHub later. And create. And then you can ignore this scaling message because I have a small laptop screen. So I have my scaling set differently, but it should not affect the program, and it does not affect how things work. So you want to add a button, and then let's just make it fit the form. And actually, I want to make it smaller because I can. So let's do that. And then you go to properties, and for the text, hello world. And then scroll up. You always want to name your controls so that it's easier for coding. I'm calling this HW button. And then you can just double click on the button and the code will pop up. And then you can just type message box dot show. Remember to have a semicolon at the end. And put in quotes because it's a string, hello world. And so what this will do is it'll make a little message box appear that says hello world. You can hit start to launch the program. And as you can see, we have, it's not letting me drag it. There we go. You have this little form, as it's called, and you can click hello world, and a message box appears that says hello world. You can keep clicking that as many times as you want to make it pop up. But once it's popped up, you can and then you can exit out, and your program's done. So that's a basic little program to start you off with Windows Forms applications. So I will be doing more tutorials in the future. Till next time, bye.